Hey everybody, tonight I'm going to do a review of the Opteka Super Telephoto lens. I got it off of Amazon for $100 plus tax. It came with a 2x doubler, which is this thing, and the T-mount for our Canon, which is this. It also came with a UV filter in 68mm, and I've done some test videos with it and test footage with it, as well as a couple of images. While the image quality isn't the best, for the money, I would say it's worth it. The pictures came out clean and sharp, and I did my test shots a couple of days ago when it was just about to snow. I was able to take a clean, clear photograph of a smokestack and a water tower at 5.9 miles away from my window. I'm on the 5th floor of an apartment complex, so I got pretty good sighting for what it was, and it came out relatively clear. It is something you'd have to use with a tripod. Now when you go to attach this to a camera, first off you'd make sure you get the right T adapter. Like this is for a Canon. All the cameras I use are Canons. The one I'm filming this on is a Canon Rebel T6 with a 50mm lens at 1.8. So to attach this to a camera, you'd first attach the 42mm threaded 2x teleconverter, which is this piece back here. Then from there, you would then remove the dust cap off the back, also by unthreading, just like that. Then take the T adapter and then attach the T adapter by threading it the same way as you would to the main body of the lens. Then you'd take the T adapter and you would attach that to your camera. You don't mount the camera to the tripod with this. You mount the lens to the tripod. It is too heavy for you to do it the other way around. For the money, if you're starting out in wildlife photography or astrophotography, I would say this is a decent buy. It's available on Amazon.com. There are very many different makers who make this. I chose Opteka. You can get them in either black or white, like this. And you can buy other filters for it that are in 67mm, or you can use a step-up ring to match the size of filter you've already got, as long as it's larger. I wouldn't go any smaller, just on the off chance that it would give you some vignetting. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate, like, and subscribe. Thank you.